Hello, this is Nick with Nick's Computer Fix, and welcome back to my channel. Here's a video today on the TECNO CAMON 30S Android phone. A quick unboxing and setup, plus a camera test or two. But first, be sure to click on that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated. Okay, let's take a look at this. We're going to unbox very quickly. And on the bottom it says 256 gigabytes of storage plus 8 gigabytes as well. And the color is black. On the back it says 50 megabits main camera. And that is impressive with a 50 megabit main camera. I like that. Alright, quickly unboxing. I told you this was going to be quick. And we have a case, a clear case, not too impressive. And then this cover gives us some details. It's a Sony 100 megapixel ultra clear mode camera, 50 megapixel OIS main camera, a screen size of 6.78 inch and 120 hertz refresh screen. Also has a high performance processor called the G100, and it does fast charging at 33 watts, and it has dual speakers with Dolby. I have to say, the first impression with these specs really looks good to me. Alright, take the wrapper off. This is a very comfortable holding phone. There's no sharp edges, and also, by the way, it has a curved screen on the front, and the camera on the back is pretty cool. It's circular. Alright, what else is in the box? We have the fast charger, 33 watts, and of course the cord that goes with the charger. And that's it. And let's take a look at the clear case cover here. And it is better than no case at all. Okay, as you can see, I've already powered this on and set up the phone, so I am just moving along in it very smoothly. No hesitation on opening things up. It's very responsive. The touch screen is really good. The camera app seems fully complemented with all features, and then some. And moving around within the camera app is very user-friendly. Looking forward to taking some images and some videos with this camera, and I'll show that right now. Here's some nice images. These are some palm trees. The sky is kind of clear, not too sunny. There are some clouds, but you can see the clarity is remarkable. I'm impressed by how well this takes pictures. The color accuracy seems to be spot on, and I also noticed that the images are sharp, crisp, and bright. Okay, that's it for the video review of the TECNO CAMON 30S cell phone. Be sure to click on that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated.